Hi, I'm Linda Scholl, physical therapist from the University of Utah Orthopedic Center. Today we're going to learn about stretching and how to get flexible for when you're on the slopes. When you're skiing, you can get off balance quite quickly, and if you're not flexible enough, sometimes it'll catch you off guard, and we don't want to pull any muscles so we can stay out on the slopes. One of the first things we can do is find a chair. When you sit down, you want to sit down and stretch your hamstrings. You can put the leg right in front of you, nice tall back, hands behind you, and gently pull forward. When you're stretching, you should feel it underneath the hamstring, and you should have a little bit of a straight back there. Stretching should be not painful, and you should try and hold it for about 30 seconds and no bouncing. Another stretch you can do is the quadriceps. The quadriceps is the muscle that's on the top of the thigh here. You're going to pretty much find a stable object to hold on to, grab your foot, pull it around, and then nice and tall through the pelvis. Don't jam your foot into your buttocks, but hold it there and push the pelvis forward. You should feel the stretch across the front of the thigh. If it's uncomfortable to pull your heel this far up, then you can set it on something behind you as you're driving your hip forward. It should be a comfortable stretch across the entire front of the thigh, making sure you're protecting the back with a good pelvic tilt. Holding that 30 seconds, no bouncing, no pain, and a good stretch. From there, you're going to go ahead and find a way to stretch a wall so that you can stretch the back of your calf. If you put your hands against something sturdy, drive your heel into the ground, your toes pointing straight forward. You can pull the hips down like this, keeping your heel on the ground to stretch the back of your calves. You should feel it again back here, and it should hold about 30 seconds, no pain and no bouncing. That will follow up with an anterior chest stretch. Find a doorway or some wall where you can just put your hand there, a comfortable height, step through, and feel the chest open up in this pectoralis region. It'll help so when you're falling or reaching, and hopefully not doing too much of this, that you don't end up stretching your shoulder too far. That again should be a 30-second hold, no pain, no bouncing. All of those stretches are overall some basic things to work on every day before you go out skiing. After your first warm-up run, try and find a little bit, or just as you're about to put your boots on, so that you can be flexible and warmed up for the day. We want you to be safe on the hill. Have a great day and enjoy the snow.